The world's most expensive food is being served right now, and number one is something almost nobody guesses, so stay until the end to find out. Matsutake mushrooms are one of the rarest and most expensive types of mushrooms in the world, with a price tag of over $200 per pound. Native to Japan, these mushrooms are highly prized for their unique spicy aroma and flavor. They're often used in traditional Japanese cuisine, particularly in dishes like risotto and soups. The high price of Matsutake mushrooms is due to their short harvest season and the difficulty of cultivating them. But it gets bigger as we move up the list to even more exclusive ingredients. Kobe beef is a type of high-quality beef from the Taijima strain of Japanese black cattle, raised in the Hyogo prefecture of Japan. It's known for its tenderness, rich flavor, and high fat content, making it one of the most expensive types of beef in the world. A single serving of Kobe beef can cost upwards of $200. The strict production standards and limited supply of Kobe beef contribute to its high price. As we continue our countdown, we'll see even more luxurious foods that are worth every penny. Truffles are a type of rare and highly prized fungi, with a price tag of over $1,000 per pound. They're often used in high-end cuisine, particularly in French and Italian cooking, to add a unique and intense flavor to dishes. The rarity of truffles, combined with the difficulty of finding them, makes them one of the most expensive ingredients in the world. Truffle hunting is a highly specialized and labor-intensive process, which contributes to their high cost. But the luxury doesn't stop here, as we move on to even more exclusive delicacies. Caviar is a luxurious delicacy made from the roe of sturgeon fish, with a price tag of over $10,000 per kilogram. It's often served as a garnish or used as an ingredient in high-end dishes, particularly in Russian and Persian cuisine. The rarity of sturgeon fish, combined with the time-consuming process of harvesting and processing the roe, makes caviar one of the most expensive foods in the world. Caviar is often associated with luxury and exclusivity, and its high price reflects its prestige. As we continue our countdown, we'll see even more extravagant foods that are fit for royalty. Oysters are a type of mollusk that are highly prized for their unique flavor and texture, with some varieties selling for over $100 per dozen. They're often served raw on the half-shell, grilled, or used in dishes like oyster stew. The high price of oysters is due to the difficulty of cultivating them, as well as the risk of contamination and the need for careful handling. Some oyster varieties, like the Melon oyster, are particularly rare and prized, making them a luxury food item. But the prices keep climbing as we move on to even more exclusive seafood. Bluefin tuna is a type of fish that's highly prized for its meaty texture and rich flavor, with a price tag of over $200 per pound. It's often used in high-end sushi and sashimi dishes, particularly in Japanese cuisine. The rarity of bluefin tuna, combined with the difficulty of catching them, makes them one of the most expensive types of fish in the world. Bluefin tuna is also highly regulated, due to concerns about overfishing, which contributes to its high price. As we continue our countdown, we'll see even more luxurious seafood dishes that are worth every penny. Foie gras is a luxurious delicacy made from the liver of ducks or geese, with a price tag of over $50 per pound. It's often served as a tranche or pan-seared, and is highly prized for its rich, buttery flavor and smooth texture. The production of foie gras is highly regulated, due to concerns about animal welfare, which contributes to its high price. Foie gras is often associated with fine dining and luxury cuisine, and its high price reflects its exclusivity. But the prices keep climbing as we move on to even more extravagant delicacies. Moose milk cheese is a type of rare and expensive cheese made from the milk of moose, with a price tag of over $1,000 per pound. It's often used in high-end cuisine, particularly in Swedish and Russian cooking, to add a unique and intense flavor to dishes. The rarity of moose milk, combined with the difficulty of producing the cheese, makes it one of the most expensive types of cheese in the world. Moose milk cheese is often associated with luxury and exclusivity, and its high price reflects its prestige. As we continue our countdown, we'll see even more exclusive dairy products that are worth every penny. The golden opulence sundae is a luxurious dessert made with rare and expensive ingredients, including 23K edible gold and the finest caviar. It's served in a gold-rimmed glass and comes with a price tag of over $1,000. The Sundae is a unique and extravagant treat that's only available at select high-end restaurants. The Golden Opulence Sundae is a true indulgence, and its high price reflects its exclusivity and luxury. But the most expensive food in the world is something even more extraordinary, and it's coming up next. The Yubari King melon is a type of rare and expensive melon grown in Japan, with a price tag of over $200 per melon. It's highly prized for its sweet and juicy flesh, and is often served as a luxury fruit. The Yubari King melon is a true delicacy, and its high price reflects its exclusivity and rarity. The melon is carefully hand-massaged and grown in a controlled environment to ensure its unique flavor and texture, making it the most expensive food in the world. This rare and luxurious fruit is a true indulgence, and its high price is worth every penny for those who can afford it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll be counting down another top 10 list.